Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English practice lesson.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy you're here today.
Today, we are going to learn two useful English words, either and neither.
Yes, these words are very common in daily conversations.
And don't worry, we will learn them in a simple and easy way.
That's right. We will practice together step by step.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And let's begin our English practice.
Lucia, do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Great. Then I can say, you can choose either tea or coffee.
Either tea or coffee.
Exactly. Either means one of two choices.
So I can choose tea,
Yes,
or I can choose coffee.
that's right.
Let's repeat together. Either tea or coffee.
Either tea or coffee.
One more time. Either tea or coffee.
Very good. Let's look at another example.
Okay.
Would you like to watch a movie or read a book?
Either is fine.
Excellent.
Either is fine.
That means both choices are okay for you.
I like that expression.
It is very useful in everyday English.
Let's say it slowly. Either is fine.
Either is fine.
Again.
Either is fine.
Now let's learn neither.
Great idea.
What does neither mean?
Neither means not this one and not that one.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Do you like very spicy food?
No.
Do you like very sour food?
No.
Then you can say, I like neither spicy food nor sour food.
I like neither spicy food nor sour food.
Perfect.
Let's repeat that slowly. I like neither spicy food nor sour food.
Very nice. Let's try another example.
Okay.
Do you play basketball?
No.
Do you play tennis?
No.
Then what can you say?
I play neither basketball nor tennis.
Excellent.
I play neither basketball nor tennis.
That's exactly right.
I think neither is easier than I thought.
Yes, it is.
At first, I was a little nervous,
Many English learners feel the same way.
but practice makes everything easier.
Absolutely.
Let's do a quick practice.
Tea or coffee?
Either is fine. Pizza or burger? Either is fine. Excellent.
Now my turn. Do you like snakes?
No,
Do you like spiders?
definitely not.
Then what can you say?
I like neither snakes nor spiders.
Perfect answer.
That was easy.
Let's review today's lesson.
Either means one of two choices.
And neither means not one and not the other.
Let's repeat the key phrases. Either tea or coffee.
Either tea or coffee. Either is fine.
Either is fine.
I like neither spicy food nor sour food.
I like neither spicy food nor sour food.
Excellent work, everyone.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep learning.
And tell us in the comments, do you prefer tea or coffee?
We would love to read your answers.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.